Hi everybody, my name is Lauren Purple Sales of Purple Crab Beauty, and I'm here today to show you how to apply LipSense. So LipSense comes as a set of 3. You always get a color of your choice, and today I'll be using Violet. I think it's an underloved color. It has it's a nice pink with a little bit of purple, and of course I like purple. The Glossy Gloss, which is our best gloss, and Oops Remover. So when you start with LipSense, you always want to make sure that you're shaking. You don't want to shake side to side. That's a no-no. See, look, it says no-no. Okay, you want to make sure you're shaking up and down, and you want to shake for about 30 seconds. In preparation of this video, I already shook mine up, so mine is ready to go. And I can tell because there's not a lot of goopy stuff on the black part of the wand. So then I'm going to go in and you'll see that there is a lot on the wand. One thing that's great about LipSense is it lasts forever. I mean, one of these tubes has lasted me over 6 months. Although I do have a lot of colors, and it's actually lasted me a year. But I would say it lasts about 4 to 6 months for the average user with everyday use. So again, you want to wipe off the tip of your wand, and then you want to apply in one single straight direction. When you're finished, you don't want to put your lips together because that could be a little sticky and you want to wait for it to dry. So you want to make sure you're applying to smooth, dry lips. I really like to make sure that, because I have this heart-shaped area right here, that I kind of go like from here to here and then from here to here. All right, and I let it dry in between, and I can put my LipSense wand right back in. And I can touch it and feel that it's dry. Again, I'm gonna dip, and I wanna wipe off any excess. Now, for whatever reason, some people when they're applying LipSense, they'll go and they'll try to fix it and dab it on. It's just like nail polish. You can't just go and try to fix something when it's already starting to dry. You know, it's going to get gloppy and it's just not going to go on right. The first layer, it doesn't matter what it looks like. The second layer is what really matters. If it's not going on right, wipe it off and start over. Now I'm going to apply my third layer. Again, wiping off the wand. I like to make sure I really get my waterline, so that way it doesn't come off during the day. All right, so I'm done. And I'm just going to let this dry for a second before I apply my gloss. Now, some people say that applying gloss is one of the most important steps. And that's because it depends on what gloss you use. And you want to wait until you're completely dry. If you're doing it right, your wand will still look white when you're done. If you're not doing it right, it will get a little bit of color on it. Because I've been talking, I'm having trouble with my cracks drying. So I have to wait a little bit longer. But they say to wait 10 to 30 seconds. Again, it's going to take me a second longer. So Glossy Gloss actually has a polymer in it that binds the LipSense to your lips. So now that my lips are pretty much dry, I do have a little sticking in the corner. I'm going to apply the Glossy Gloss liberally. All right. Oh, and I should have showed you. See? No color because I waited plenty of time. It doesn't matter what direction you go when you're applying your gloss. You can go in any direction. So our glosses have different levels of moisturizing. All of our glosses do have the polymer that's in it to bind lip sets to your lips. So it really does work as a set. I personally have tested out the lip balm to see if that would work, and I do find that it will take off my LipSense. It starts to break it down, and unlike the glossy. You can use Glossy Gloss or other glosses. One of my favorite glosses is Diamond Kiss Gloss because it has real diamonds in it, and who doesn't like real diamonds? So it just gives it just a subtle sparkle, and it's really pretty. So you can use the different glosses. I recommend glossing throughout the day. Gloss before you eat and after you eat. If you're drinking things like a hot coffee, the gloss will actually protect the LipSense from those outside forces and the strong pH in coffee. Other things that happen or can degrade LipSense are things like alcoholic beverages, although I haven't had a problem with it, and I definitely have had my fair share. But I would say alcoholic beverages are definitely something that can affect LipSense. So if you are drinking, you want to make sure you're applying your gloss regularly. Also, always make sure that you're staying hydrated. Staying hydrated is the best thing for your skin, and it's how Senegen's actually keeps your skin looking young, fresh, and ageless. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Make sure you follow my group at Purple Crab Beauty Boutique, my Instagram at Purple Crab Beauty Boutique. And if you would like to visit my Sene site at senegens.com/purplecrabbeauty. Thank you guys so much and have a beautiful day.